Hey guys, it is what? Hello. It's not working. Boy, it's not working. Why? Why?
It's frozen.
Why is it frozen?
Let me see.
Okay, it's good. It's good. Put these things down. Okay.
Hello, guys. We are back, and I am a beautiful princess.
Okay, so today we're doing.
Okay, people.
Okay, yes.
Now talk to Zachariah.
Georgie, we're doing the Warhead challenge. Get over here.
Yes, we are. Hold on, please.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna eat mine. We're gonna start as the sweetest, and then we're gonna go to the sourest. So, I'm just gonna so bad. So this is the sweetest. It's apple. I actually love Warhead, so this shouldn't be any problem for me.
Let's get drunk.
See the Warhead.
This is
By the way,
my
guys,
drunk.
proof. It's Warhead. Look.
We are doing a Warhead challenge. So today, when we do this Warhead challenge,
Get the apple. I love it.
when we
Sour and good. Ah! Okay, sweet one out. That one out. Did you like it?
No.
Alright, that means every other one is gonna be really bad. Next up is watermelon. By the way, whoever does the worst of eating them will get to try the most sourest one ever. Black cherry. Okay, next up is second round, watermelon. Here's yours. Let's go.
Oh snap! I'm so scared.
I love the watermelon one. It's really good. Oh, it's like a peanut. It's like a peanut. You're doing
It's
go.
like a sour
3,
balls.
2, 1, go.
Oh, this is not that bad.
I already got the sour out. Right now I'm winning because George threw up on the apple one.
No, it didn't.
Well, he did bad on it. Okay, next one. Round 3. Blue raspberry. This is when it starts getting heated up. We have blue raspberry. Here's yours. Okay, let's go. This is when it starts to get heated up. I tried it. It's really bad.
People, comment down below if I'm hilarious.
3, 2, 1, go. How you doing over there, George? George. How you doing? Okay, he's dead. We're gonna keep on doing the video. This is pretty good. I love it. That was good.
Look at that. Oh, that was so bad.
And
Never tried blue
round 4.
raspberry.
Final one before
Oh my god.
we have the
No.
the final round before we have black cherry. Lemon. I love lemon. I love lemon.
Oh my god.
I'm just saying that to make people think I like lemon. Lemon's actually really bad. It's really sour, I swear. George's gonna throw up in it for a second. When we say 3, 2, 1, George will go. I'll say 3, 2, 1. Give me a second to open this. God.
Oh.
Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope, fell in my mouth. Hey, my cat wants to eat one. Hey. Is it good? Kitty power, kitty power, rocket stop with Bob. Alright, George did worse. He's gonna have to do black cherry. You eat it right now. And guess what I'm gonna do? Since I love you guys so much, I'm going to eat. Oh, I think I should do the black cherry way. A lemon and another lemon at the same time while George eats a black cherry. So George, you go on and eat your black cherry. I'll be right back, guys. Tell me how it is. How is it? Was it good? Okay, guys. I love you guys so much. I'm going to eat 2 lemons at once. Like down in the comments if you can actually do that. And also like down in the comments if I can actually do it. 1. It's like pills. Oh no. Let's put this down right here. I don't want to get the sour off. And finally, 2. We have 2 right here. 3, 2, 1.
Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Oh. Comment down below on this face right here.
I got a problem. I like words so much.
Oh my god, go spit that out.
I wasn't. Oh! Ah! Mm. There was a bug in there. No, just kidding. There's a little bit of sour at the end. Okay, somebody forgot to eat the apple. Is there no one, George, behind you? No. Okay, I guess I need to eat the apple.
Guys, he hated that one.
No, I loved it. Go back.
Why'd you throw it at the wall?
Okay, let's go.
That will be the end of this video, everyone.
No, we're doing a boxing fight.
Yes, one boxing fight at the end of each video. Look at our rappers.
What the heck? Rappers? Oh, I thought you meant like a rapper, not a person. I was like, what? Hey. Guys, say in the comments who's going to win this boxing round. George, get up.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Get up! 5, 4. Oh, the face cam is really bad. Aim. That's better. 5, 4. Actually, no. I'm just going to push it back. Okay, that's good. You don't need to see our faces, guys. Be calm with that. Okay, George, you're not in the face cam. Get in the face cam. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I wasn't ready!
You're gonna twist my head.
There you go, people. The winner of today. Sweets give me power to beat people up. People, I hope you enjoyed this video. Nothing else for this video. So I will see you in the next one. And now Zachariah say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Get up.
Say goodbye.
No, we still have 6 minutes left. Let's go.
And people, the next video we're gonna be doing a Roblox in real life video.
I don't think we're doing that.
Yes, we are, people. After this video, we're gonna be doing that. And when we do, I hope you like it. We're gonna be doing a murder mystery video in real life.
I'm not doing any. Oh, let's do. Oh yeah.
In real life with the Roblox characters we have over here. So we're gonna be doing that after I've got this person down on the ground.
Okay, let's go.
There we go, people. I will see you in the next one. And goodbye.
No. Okay, let's eat 5.
Now, people, we're doing a Roblox video. Talk to Zachariah for a while. Talk to Zachariah for a while. And I will get the murder mystery video set up. Stop stretching out my shirt, you butthole. Okay.
Guys, want to listen to this stuff? Me! Okay, let's go. Yo, messing out some good fun, Georgie. I'm gonna listen to some intros while you're doing whatever you're doing. Gear mode. This. Get in.
I'm a liar and nothing.
What? Oh, that's better. Okay, is the video on? Yes, it is. So, guys, for the rest of the video, I am going to be reacting. No, actually, no. We're just going to do...
Okay, people. We got some characters up here.
They can't hear
you.
They can't hear you. I have headphones on. Shut up, William. I mean George. I'm going to restart this video. Stop. This is what Georgie is. George, stop. For real, I'm going to delete the video. Stop. When we're reacting to intros. This is what Georgie is. Ew, you picking up your toenails. Okay, let's go. Top. No. This is my outro, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, everybody. George, did you like the video?
Yes.
Guys, it's still recording. Don't think we don't know what we're doing. We're just getting on to the outro. Let's get on it. Sun Goes Down by Fabian Mazur. Fabian Mazur, where you at? Thank you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Good. Bye, all my fans. Okay, yeah. Guys, we're just going to have to put the face cam off, I guess. Couldn't live without it. I think you could live without it. But let's go to the outro. Goodbye, everybody. See you in the next one. Good.
Zach.
On the outro, get out. Come on. Okay, you go out there and talk to him because I'm doing the outro. It's literally embarrassing. Okay, just go. It's literally a scratch. Okay.
When the sun goes down, we are thinking about when the